Hey guys, this is Poet Spice Jamie Little Tallulah, and I wanted to do a separate video showing the Elizabeth Crafts new planner pages. So I ordered this from Boldly Go, and I will show you their little card. Here in a second, my stuff is falling over. So there's a little note from them. From Boldly Go. It says, thank you, enjoy. And it gets a little information about their shop and their daughter's shop. And then they put a little thank you gift in. So I was like, ooh, I love a thank you gift. So they put it in this vintage bag. So that's always cute. Pirates. So they put it in here. And it's some Christmas items from... I saw it before. Where is it from? Kaiser Craft. So they cut up some pieces. So a Season of Gladness, some little cards. You know how you get a 12 by 12 and you cut it up. So they put those pieces in the package as a thank you, which is pretty cool. So they give you some strips. I already used part of it on a card for my design team project. So the little sentiments that they cut up, and then they cut up part of the 12 by 12 paper from this stack. So I thought that was cute. I love this color. Ooh, I didn't even see that one. I saw the back, but I didn't see that one. So this is cute. There you go. And then this is just scraps that was in my area, so we'll just put that in there. So that was the thank you for purchase. Now let me show you this, Dollies. So Elizabeth Crafts, they always come out with some kind of kit for their books and so forth. And so this time they came out with a mason jar kit. Now I do have some mason jars and so forth, but how cute is this, right? So this will fit in the big journal. So you can see this one here. And you've got this design sheet that comes in it. And so it's your mason jar special kit inspiration. It's very Christmassy, but you could also do it very summery, summer at times. So that is a cute. Love that. And so let's get down to the nitty gritty as to what was in here. So first, I mean, it's not a huge kit or anything, but it's so cute. And it was like, yes, yes we are. So first, there's a stamp set that has all the information. So good things, collect moments, memories, love is sweet. You got some Christmas baubles. You have another little mason jar where you can stamp the sentiment actually in it. So you have these, gratitude wish for you, jammed pack with love. Oh, that's cute. Everything is better in a mason jar. That's true, right? You got your tea, your iced tea, your Kool-Aid, your lemonade. What's your favorite cup? What's your favorite flavor of Kool-Aid? Red. And then they put in some rings. So you get 3 rings because that's how many holes are in it. And then you have the stamp set. Now, it's a double die set. So look at this. You have your planner page. Excuse me. So you have your planner page. Then you have this label here, or to make the lid. Then you have, I think this says good things. And wish, I think that says wish. So you have the lid, then you have like another little piece here. Here's another little label. I'm not sure what these circles are because I did not see the demo. I just was like, oh my gosh, I saw the kit, and I ordered it immediately. And then you have a smaller one with the lid, and then you have this down here. So cute. Then on the inside, you have a separate piece where you can make that window. So you can make it like a shaker, you can make it a window, you can make it just like the layer. Okay, so cute. And then, that's not all. Not all, because it's a double die set. Yes! So you have these Christmas trees, which I love these trees. So you have these trees, and granted they don't have to be Christmas trees because, you know, these type of trees are all year round. That's why they're called evergreens. Because they are evergreen. So you've got these two sizes of that and these penguins. So you've got the background layer, and then you've got this where it'll cut it out. So let's see. I'd have to look at the thing again to see if they're exactly the same size or slightly bigger so that you can layer it up. Thinking you cut this in white and this one in black. The little tummy falls out, and then you have that. And then you have a smaller one over here. And I love how they give you a big one and a small one. Then you have this part of the die that goes over the top, and you could have drips. It could be like ice coming down. If you cut the piece of paper this way, it could look like water. So you could do a lot of stuff with that. And then they have some snowflakes. So you could just use the snowflakes as snowflakes, but you can use these. I guess they are supposed to be just snowflakes, but you could also use them if you punch them right. I'm thinking you could use them for hole reinforcers because the centers don't cut out. But I'm thinking you could cut the center out and so forth. So that was fun. I thought that was adorable and cute. So I cannot wait to play with that at some point. Who knows when. But as long as you have it when you need it. Thanks for watching. I will see you guys later. Go check out the hot videos. Go check out Not Too Shabby Shop. Go check out Elizabeth Craft Designs. Yeah, just go check stuff out and have fun. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.